Max. Fine, leave the mohawk. That's safe, look out.
Wait, what did you want to do? I wanted them to
So I'm Kevin Pataki. I'm a senior at James Earl DeWitt. This is my 4th year swimming on the swim team. And tonight, well, we all shave our heads. I just got finished, so it's a little chilly in here. So I've done it ever since my freshman year. Well, first what we do is we bleach it at least a week or 2 beforehand if you make sectionals, and then you shave it off. However, my freshman year, I didn't shave it off until I actually made states, and then the other guys were like, Kevin, you need to shave it off now, so I shaved it off. So ever since then, it's just been a great, along with being a great team building exercise, it's always just been a fun little thing to do. As far as I know, the team's been doing it ever since Bob's been a coach, or probably before that even, so in the 70s it's been going on. And so if you've made sectionals, you'd first bleach your hair, as I said, and then you'd shave your head and you'd walk around school. You get some funny looks here and there, but nonetheless, it's just something to say. Yeah, I made sectionals, so I'm proud. I've done it, and here's the proof.